Today I want to talk about a phrase that sounds a little bit strange, but trust me, it's very useful. And so the phrase is get out of it. So it's a bunch of words that don't mean much on their own, but put together, get a lot out of it, I know it's long, means to get value from something, to learn something new, or to appreciate something, or learn something, or get a lot of use or value from that product or that thing or whatever it is. And so I have a few examples for you. Like if you listen to an audiobook, you can get a lot out of it. I just listened to a popular audiobook here called Mistborn. Have you heard of the Mistborn series? It was really a fun book to read, and I got a lot out of it. It's like a whole new world of magic and adventure and history. And the author of the book actually lives right here in my town. So within, he lives close by. I've never met him, but we went to the same school. So anyway, it's a very popular book, and it's a fun book to read if you are into fantasy and magic. And it does have some themes that are more socioeconomic, talking about rich people and poor people and meritocracy. So something that you're born into or deserving of something or not. And another example I thought of was like this sunscreen that my wife got for me. It's a pretty small bottle, but I got a lot out of it. So, and there's still a lot in here. So this is something that is very small, but I got a lot out of it. Just means there's more sunscreen in there than I thought, or more value than I imagined. So I got a lot out of it. This shirt, actually, that I'm wearing right now, I've had for probably 15 years. And I think it looks pretty good still, but I have worn this shirt a lot. And this shirt has been all over the country. It's been to several countries in Europe. It's been to India. It's been to China multiple times. And yeah, this shirt has been to many, many places. And I have worn this shirt for a lot of my jobs when I work in TV. I like it because it's a long sleeve, and if it's hot, then I don't get sunburned. And if it's cold, then it's an extra layer to help keep me warm. And so I've gotten a lot out of this shirt. I really have gotten a lot out of the shirt and worn it for a long time. I think I probably paid, I don't know, maybe $10 for the shirt. So less than $1 per year that I've had it. So that's a good example. Some of these plants that we have, I love propagating new plants. So cutting the plant, putting the roots in water, and letting that grow. And we've gotten a lot of value out of one single plant. And then we cut that and put it in water and take another clipping and put that into water and watch the roots grow. And you can see the roots are growing in this one. And I would say this has been maybe a couple of weeks since I transferred this plant into the cup. And I kind of run out of places to put these. I did another lesson on that, ran out, right? I ran out of space and ran out of places to put these. So now I just put them in my drinking glasses until I find room for another pot, or until I find another pot where I can put that plant. My daughter and I did our nails for the first time. You can see my beautiful nails here. Yellow, gray, reddish orange, and a blue. And this was very fun to do, and it didn't take very long, but I got a lot out of it, and it was a nice activity to connect with my daughter and just have fun. So I got a lot out of that. Another thing I like about this phrase is it's a way to focus on the positive things in life, even when something's really bad. So I got in a car accident, for example. I guess I'll make this a true story. I got in a car accident when I was about 18 years old, and no one really got hurt, but it was my fault because I wasn't watching, or I didn't see this person come into my lane in another car, and so I hit another car. And it was scary, and it was kind of a bad experience, but I got a lot out of it, meaning I learned a lot. I gained a lot of experience. And so anyway, you can use this phrase to get a lot out of something when, even if it's a horrible experience, you can still get a lot out of that or learn a lot from that. And so I like that phrase. For example, like, I remember when I was in college, I used to do a lot of acting and performing. So music, dance, and theater. And one of my acting coaches, before every show, he would sing this song with us about focusing on the positive. It's a very old classic song, but I'll sing it for you, and maybe you can learn this new song about accentuating the positive. So focusing on the positive. You've got to accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative, latch on to the affirmative, and don't mess with Mr. In Between. And that's the song. You've got to accentuate the positive. Accentuate the positive. And I like that. Like, don't focus on the negative. Don't mess with Mr. In Between. Just focus on the positive and see what you can get out of the experiences that you have every day. And that's what I tell myself. I mean, who am I to give you advice, right? But this is what I tell myself is, what can I get out of this class? What can I get out of this lesson? What can I get out of the next half hour of my time? Or I'm waiting in line. It's a long line. I'm waiting for food. I'm waiting in line for, at the bank or something. What can I get out of this experience? You can still get a lot of value out of those experiences, even if they're hard or discouraging or negative. And this video is casual, and I like this style of just kind of chit-chatting with you, but I hope you got a lot out of it and you learned something new. Find some opportunities in your daily routine and throughout your day where you can use this phrase, and let me know how you use this phrase in the comments below. I love to hear from you, so please make a comment, connect, and let me know who you are. See you next time.